Hello, welcome to Drop 90. So last week was better, definitely way much better than to my previous week. I would grade somewhere around 3.75. Not up to the mark, but still a small bump in like improvement. Overall, I tried to get back to my schedule, and I also tried to maintain my workout session in the morning. तो वैसे पूरा मैनेज हुआ है थोड़ा सा, like everything is right on back on track right now, but still a lot of things I need to like tweak and improve. So वो थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर मैं काम करूँगा coming week में. And now coming back to our startup update, like client side is going great. Like by June end we had our phase 1, like वहाँ तक ही था, timeline was till June end. And after doing everything, like it's all good, we are on right track with that. Now moving forward, we are on the phase 2, and what all things which have been extra or remaining and sort of things, or design or fixes or like all sort of remaining things will be doing that in the moving forward July and August and so forward. And that's what our client said, and it's pretty good. We are really balanced on like that track as well. Now the product side, like this is the one thing that has been the top priority for all of us. Like apart from my personal challenges and experiments that I've been doing, which are like on hold, or you can say not on much priority. Like the first priority what comes is like product vendor, definitely, and also the client as well. So product side is going pretty great. Our like June timeline, like the schedule or the milestones that we are like set aside for month of June, like it's like pretty much done. Like we are on track with that. It's like overall we thought that we'll be building all of the stuff, and by June end we'll be completing that, and we have done that. So moving forward in July, we won't be doing any new stuff or building or taking decisions from our end. From July onward, like from like this coming Monday, we would be like giving in hands of user and what are the feedback, suggestions, errors, bug fixing, or things which have been left, जो छूट गया था काम करना. So things which have been remaining, that will be working on July. Like whole month of July will be going on like scaling the system, testing it out and fixing the bugs and improving the overall experience. So July month is completely dedicated towards like getting whole system on track with everyone else out there. तो users के हाथ में देंगे और test करेंगे. So I think this would be really exciting, because यहाँ पे असली चीज़ें पता चलेगी, like how people feel about it, and what kind of feedback we get and their initial reaction. So the month of July is quite exciting, and overall product side is quite balanced, and overall team is also quite balanced, and सब कुछ सही चल रहा है. I think there's no new update. And also on an update on a previous payment, like couple of week backs when I told that थोड़े हमारे payment like अटक गए थे, like few of our payments were stuck due to the pandemic. But a good news is that like I got a pretty good confirmation like 2-3 weeks back, and by the June end it has to be like cleared it out everything else. But I think we are very good that I think वो clear हो ही गया, like मान ही लो, like so it's a good sign, because the money that has been stuck has to be given to the team and the freelancers and all sort of like सारी चीज़ों को. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो बच जाएगा उसका हम लोग स्ट्रेटेजिक डिसीजंस के तरीके से न्यू टीम मेंबर और एनीथिंग दैट वी हैव टू डू, तो वो थोड़ा सा प्लान हो जाएगा. सो उसके वजह से एक पॉजिटिव साइन है, बिकॉज इट वॉज स्टक सिंस लॉन्ग टाइम. सो वो प्लानिंग नहीं करते पा रहा था, बिकॉज लाइक हैविंग इट ऑन पेपर एंड हैविंग इट इन बैंक अकाउंट इज़ अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट थिंग. तो वो एक सही पॉइंट है. एंड नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द आइडिया और द एक्सपेरिमेंट पार्ट ऑफ दिस ड्रॉप. एज आई मेंशन, लाइक कोई नए ड्रॉप नहीं 3 हफ्ते के लिए, बिकॉज बहुत हेक्टिक हो रहा था. एंड like this is currently my least priority, like all my challenges and experiments. Like my first priority is to get clients and products sorted, and those two are like on track. Like उसके अंदर कुछ कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. So on the challenges side, like book reading भी मैंने लास्ट वीक में स्किप कर दी थी, बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू लाइक सबसे पहले मेरे स्केड्यूल को इन लाइन लाना था, एंड देन मूविंग फॉरवर्ड आई कुड इनकॉर्पोरेट अदर थिंग्स. बट वन गुड न्यूज़ इज दैट लाइक आई एम अगेन बैक इन कम्युनिटी लाइक बिल्डिंग. लाइक तो एक साल पहले पैंडेमिक के पहले आई वॉज रियली एक्टिव. सो आई एम वंस अगेन बैक डूइंग मीटअप्स, इवेंट्स, वेबिनार्स, open house, and lot of things like YouTube, Clubhouse, and many more. You can see all my updates on Instagram and WhatsApp. So if you are connected, then do join us there as well. So coming forward from the coming week, I think मैं book reading फिर से resume करूँगा, and one by one, slowly and gradually, I'll start to get back to my challenges one by one. सब कुछ एक साथ नहीं. So the challenge तो नहीं बोल सकते, but the title of this video is like one step at a time. तो सब कुछ एक साथ नहीं करना है, but baby steps, small and sweet. So एक एक करके सब nail down करेंगे. तो this is whole video, and hope you guys are taking care of yourself and your loved ones, and see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, keep hustling, and YOLO. Bye, take care.